Greetings, KPBSD students and families. This is Carlin Nichols with a quick tutorial on how to access and use your district Gmail. If you haven't accessed district Gmail before for your student, I highly recommend going to the KPBSD website where you have easy access to all these very useful links and shortcuts. These are very important during our online learning. I highly recommend bookmarking this website for easy access. Click on District Gmail. Once you've clicked on District Gmail, you will be prompted to enter your student's e-number and password in the boxes. If you do not have that information, please contact your child's teacher or your school secretary. Once you've logged in with the e-number and password, you'll be brought to the Gmail suite. I have no new mail because it gets forwarded, but your student may have some important emails from their teacher. If they've used their email in the past or it's full of old stuff, I highly recommend working together to clean out that inbox so they're only looking at new mail. Remember to compose. You're going to click on the add. And also, really important to remember, all teacher names are automatically inputted. So if you just type in the teacher's name, their email should appear automatically to make it more easy for you to communicate with your child's teacher. Your child will also be able to communicate with other students using email because all student names are inputted, so they can just start to type in the name of another student if they were looking for help or had to partner up for something. So it should be very easy. Please also remember that you can access Gmail from the Waffle. If you're signed into the Google Suite, which you can sign in anytime that way, using KPBSD. When you click on the Waffle, Gmail is there. If a student needs to access Drive, the link to Drive is also on the KPBSD's website. And if your student is already using Drive, they can access the Gmail on the Waffle there as well, just down here. Okay, so you can access it through Drive. You can access it automatically through the KPBSD website. And if they're already logged into Google, from any Google page that they are signed in on, it'll show up. I hope this helps you more easily access and utilize your student Gmail account at KPBSD. Good luck with your online learning and stay well.